anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you,